Hi guys, today for you I have the February Tokyo treat, and I also want to say that last year I ordered my box around this time, so I guess you could kind of say it's like an anniversary. I believe this box is Valentine's Day themed. I'm not 100% sure. I'm also going to be getting Yumi Twins and Doki Doki box. So let's get this guy open. Ooh. So I guess we're going back to the pamphlets. I'm not 100% sure. I don't know if this was just for this particular month they went back to the booklets, or if people complained and went back to the booklets, or they just wanted to go back to the booklets. I don't know. So let's see what we got. So it is Valentine's Day. It says Happy Valentine's Day, and today is Valentine's Day. Here is the table of contents. So they kind of have it up like this. So we got your premium, which you'll be getting a strawberry shortcake Pepsi, ultimate muscle chocolate wafer, cola flavored sour long gum, and then strawberry barley puffs, and Marocco Milka Choc Strawberry Party Pack. And then in a classic, which is what we got, you'll be getting Mumbai Shrimp Mayonnaise flavor, ice cream lollipop, a Pretty Cure DIY shake milkshake. I had the one with the Minions. I did a video and it was like really sweet, so I hope this one isn't that sweet. And then we got Rose X Berry Glamic tablets, and then we have Koyuki sour plum chips, and then we have Ginza Rusk strawberry, and then we have cola gummies, a share pack, and then we have a latte pie Nomi sweet strawberries. When I got my first box, I got pie Nomi matcha flavored, and I thought those were nasty. So I hope these will taste better. Alright, so let's take a look at our stuff. Oh, let me show you the rest of this book. Right. And then it tells you a little bit about the Christmas. Hold on a sec. So I guess this cola is actually Christmas themed, but they put it, I'm assuming they put it in the box because of the strawberry flavor. And strawberries are kind of like associated with Valentine's Day. I don't know. And then there is a Tokyo Sweetheart Contest. And then your February's Lucky Treat. You can win Kit Kats, Kirby, toilet paper, Kirby tissue box cover, Kirby art. So it's a lot of Kirby and Zelda stuff. So this side's Zelda, this side's Kirby. And then there's a little information on Valentine's Day and White Day in Japan. If you want to read that, there's a little description there. I'll hold it here. And then here are instructions on how to do the Pretty Cure DIY shake. And then we have Setsunabun Festival, or whatever that is. Here, I'll hold that for you so you can read that. And here is photos of people enjoying their Tokyo treat. Alright, so if you want me to taste any of these, put a comment below or give me a like, and I will do a review of any snack you like from this box. Alright, so the first thing is the Mumbai Shrimp Mayonnaise. I think we've gotten this before, but I'm not 100% sure. It says, when we think of Valentine's Day, one of more elegant foods than we can treat their significant other that comes to mind is shrimp. The image romantic couple on the date having shrimp is what inspired us to include their shrimp mayonnaise flavored Mumbai flavor, incredibly popular among Japanese people for rich flavor that delegates real shrimp and mayonnaise dish incredibly Well, who will you share yours with? So I have gotten this one before. I don't either with this box or Japan Crate, but I'm not 100% sure. The next is the ice cream lolly. It just feels like a ball inside. So this is, says go on an ice cream date at home with this ice cream lolly. This cute lollipop Japanese candy is made to taste like double scoop of ice cream. One vanilla scoop and one other strawberry. While the white-pink colors mesh with Valentine's color scheme, so do the ice cream flavors. That's why it's included in your Valentine's Japanese box. Alright, so the next is the Pretty Cure DIY milkshake. And it looks like this. You can collect 4 cups with all the characters. I have watched Pretty Cure, but not this one. This season or whatever. So I don't know who these people are. It says, for this, it says making a debut in our Japan box. I mean, this is the first time Pretty Cure themed Japanese snacks has been included. This Japanese DIY kit is simple, fun, and delicious. All together with your loved ones, you can simply add the ingredients, shake, and enjoy the smooth taste together. As a traditional Valentine treat, you can even keep and use the included cup afterwards as a regular quality cup. So the cups are usually about this big. They're not that tall or round or thick. Alright, so next is the Roseberry X tablets. They look like this. These are going to probably taste like flowers. I hope not. So this month, Kineko Sea Japanese snack is one that we hope helps you dress to impress through this lovely holiday popular brand. Latte brings you this dramatic tablet treat that helps your breath smell lovely and wild and roses and berries. This concept is turning even your breath into... Oh, I read that. Japanese candy helps you impress those who care deeply about. So these are like a breath mint candy. Next is these chips here. These are the Koiki Shower Plum Chips. It says more traditional Japanese twist. We have included these savory sour plum chips. These Japanese snacks come in a cute pink packaging covering in sakura motifs and or Japanese plums. These chips have slightly sour flavor that we included to represent how love can be difficult. Even sour at sometimes, but is always enjoyable at the end. We hope you share these with someone who means something special to you. Who will you share yours with? I'm not gonna share them out. I'm gonna eat them all up. Ha ha ha. Nah, we'll see how it goes. And then we have... Oh, okay. We have these. These are the Ginza Huck Strawberry. It says, looking for a unique 2-texture Japanese snack? Well, this time around, don't worry, we have covered. Popular series Rusk brings you a Japanese snack that is infused with smooth, sweet strawberry flavor that will leave you craving more. What really stands out in the dull textures of crunchy surface and a soft inner that you can experience all at the same time. Make sure to savor every second of this pleasant snack. So it's cute. Alright, so the next thing is cola gummies. Oh my. There are a lot of gummies here. They kind of look like this. So they're like shareable ones. I'm just going to hold it like these. It says Cola Gummies Share Pack. Bring all your loved ones together with popular cola flavor. These cola gummies make perfect snacks. Japanese contains relaxing, enjoyable cola flavor that never gets old. The individual packing makes it easy to share with group loved ones like your friends and family during the beautiful season. How many people will you share yours with? And then the last thing is the Latte Painomi Sweet Strawberry Chocolate. It looks like this. It says, this Japanese snack is a versatile flavor and resembles a handmade treat made with love with your Valentine. A rich cola pie snack that has sweet strawberry filling. Bite size makes you imagine you received fresh baked goods from a whole loved ones. You can even enjoy lightly. That broke snack will plate yourself warm heart. How you'll eat this Japanese snack. Okay, so there is another thing in here. I'm assuming that this is an extra, but I'm not 100% sure. I think we've had these before, but I'm not quite sure, like I said. And there is like a space right here, so maybe it was supposed to go there, but they forgot to add it in the information. I'm not sure. Either that or it's a special gift or whatever. But this is not in your classic information, but I guess we got it. I'm assuming it's chocolate because it's brown. So it's basically like the umbai, but it's just chocolate. Alright, so I hope you guys like this. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see the Yumi twins or the Doki Doki crate when I receive them. And I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you hit that bell for more videos that you can get notified by. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye!